In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in n8n. Whether you're new to n8n or just looking to improve your organization skills within the platform, this guide is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a folder to keep all your workflows neatly organized, making it easier to manage and access your projects efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your n8n interface. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing various features and functionalities within n8n. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you will see a section labeled as Personal. Go ahead and click on this. This section is crucial as it houses all your personal workflows and folders, providing a personalized space for you to manage your work. After clicking on Personal, your next step is to locate the Workflow Creation menu. You'll see an arrow positioned right next to the Create Workflow button. Clicking on this arrow will expand a drop-down menu revealing more options. This menu is designed to make your workspace flexible and customizable, allowing you to create different structures as needed. Among the options provided, you'll find one labeled Create Folder. This is your gateway to better organization. Click on Create Folder. This action will prompt a pop-up or a new field where you can name your folder. It's advisable to choose a name that is descriptive and relevant to its intended use. For example, if you plan to store workflows related to marketing, you might label it Marketing Workflows. This small step can significantly enhance the way you navigate through your projects in the future. Creating a descriptive folder name is not just a formality. It makes a big difference when it comes to locating and managing your workflows over time. Think of it like labeling a file cabinet. The clearer the label, the easier it is to find exactly what you're looking for later on. Once you've typed in the name, make sure you save your new folder, and voila, you've successfully created a folder in n8n. Not only have you taken the first step towards a more organized workspace, but you've also made a smart move towards improving your productivity. Before wrapping up, let's quickly review. By going to your personal section and expanding the Create Workflow dropdown, you've learned how to create a dedicated folder within seconds. Giving it a thoughtful name ensures that you and your future self will always know exactly where to find the workflows you need. That's all there is to it. Creating folders in n8n is a straightforward process, but makes a significant impact on how you manage your workflows over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical n8n tips and tricks. Happy organizing!